Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add friends in Roblox. And to do this you'll need to get the Roblox installed. In this case I'm using it on Windows 10 version. Here click on these three dots, you should see the friends, click on it. Inside click on the button at the top right corner of the screen, which is the person with a plus button next to it. And here you will see no requests, and if somebody sent you requests you should see them right here and you should be able to add them. If you want to find them yourself, click on this loop and enter their name. Click enter. You'll find all users with that name and you'll be able to add them with this button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.